What is the sound? I think who's behind the bush? Guys, can we ask too? Who's in the bush? Who is it? Who is it? Oh, look over there. Who's that pony with the big hat? Ta-da! Who is it, everyone? Hi, guys. I am your friend, Fluttershy. Nice to meet you. Look at this Fluttershy, everyone. She has the pretty bang hairstyle. And, oh, look here. What is it, Fluttershy? This is my flower. Fluttershy, what did you do behind the bush? Actually, I want to get more flowers, but we can't see more flowers. Fluttershy, why do you want more flowers? Because I want to give some flowers to my best friend, Sven. Would you help me, guys? Of course, Fluttershy, we can help you. Okay, just come and play with Fluttershy. Where's my hat? Ta-da! You should wear the big hat because sunlight is too strong. See you again. See you. Na-na-na-na-na. Now let's draw the flowers with the marker. Everyone, I want to make one with the only one petal of the flowers. One. Number 2, I'm gonna make the 2 petal of the flowers. 3. Now I will make 1, 2, 3 petals of flowers. Number 4, I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals of flowers. Number 6. How many petals do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals. Number 7. I need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 petals. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. Number 9, I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 petals. Number 10. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! Now everyone, we need to color the flowers. 1 for red. 2 for orange. 3 for yellow. 4 for light green. 5 for dark green. 6 for sky blue. 7 for dark blue. 8 for purple. 9 for pink. 10 for red again. Now, when I snap my fingers, then the flowers will appear. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Look over there, everyone! There are lots and lots of flowers! Fluttershy, come here! Wow, everyone! There are lots and lots of flowers! I love it! Oh, I want to carry all those flowers, but how can I carry them? Fluttershy, I have an idea! Let's make the flower basket! Flower basket? Then I can use it to carry all these flowers! That sounds good! Let's make the flower basket! Ta-da! Now prepare the green paper. Fold this paper like this halfway. Place each side with this glue. Now you guys can make this rectangle. Cut this way. Ta-da! Prepare this cup and cover with this bush paper like this way. Ta-da! This way, place the stem on the cup and make the handle of the basket. Ta-da! What a cute flower basket! But there's no flower. I think we need to pick some flowers. Hey, Fluttershy, please help me. Ta-da! I was already in here. What kind of flower do you want, everyone? Just come and play with Fluttershy. Na 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 na. Why don't we pick some flower in order number way? Where is number 1? Where is number 1, everyone? Do do do. Ta-da! Ta-da! Is this number 1? That's right, Fluttershy, really good. Place the number 1. Number 1. Where is number 2? Oh, there is number 2! Fluttershy! Over there! Number 2? No, Fluttershy! The orange color! Aha! Number 2! Maybe this! Here! Number 2! What about number 3? Over there, Fluttershy! The yellow one! 1, 2, 3! That's right! Number 3! Where is number 4? Over there, Fluttershy! The light green one! Light green. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number 4.
How about number 5? Over there, Fluttershy, the dark green one. Number 5. Number 6, sky blue. Boing, boing, boing. 6. About number 7. Over there, the dark blue one. Number 7. How about number 8? It seems like grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. Which one is number 9? The pink one, Fluttershy. Yay! Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! Everyone, let's count the feathers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Good job! Wow, everyone, look here! What a pretty flower basket! Wow, this is so cute, everyone! There are lots of flowers on here. This is a beautiful basket. Thank you. Boing. Fluttershy, let me surprise you. Ta-da! I prepared a little special flower pot.